Okay. In the last session, we have discussed so many things about the list. What is a list? What is a list? A list is basically an order group of elements, okay, that is stored in between the two square bracket. Each element is being separated by a comma, right? And the list may contain different, either same type of element or different type of element or mixed type of element. And again, the elements either unique type of elements or duplicate element, right? The list may be duplicate element, it may contain. Okay, so what are the different characteristics about a list? First of all, list is an order collection of elements. The next one is element of list object may be of same type or different type or mixed type. The next one is element in list object are defined within a square bracket and they are separated by a comma. List object may contain unique element or duplicate elements. The insertion order of elements in list object is preserved. We can perform both indexing and slicing on list object. List is mutable in nature. That means we can modify or change the elements of list type. An empty list. There are two types of lists are there. One is empty list, another one is non-empty list. An empty list is a list which does not contain any element and which length is 0. A non-empty list is a list which contains elements and which length is greater than 0. Fine. This is the example of empty list. This is two way we can create the empty list, right? This is the integer list. This is the float list. This is the complex number list. This is the str list, bool value list, mixed type list, unique list, duplicate list. This is another list, okay, where we have performed the indexing and slicing, right? And also have seen we can, by using the list constructor method, we can create a list, right? Okay, list functionality or list constructor method, we can create a list from a string, from a range, okay? You can try from bytes and byte array also we can able to create, okay? Got it? You can go through my notes, you will get everything. I'll share the note within 2 days, you will get it. And this one also I will share this one. Where is that one? This one I will share with you all. It contains lots of example. Okay, it's not a simple kind of notes. It contains almost all the example, different scenario example. You should go through it. Okay, only. Okay, later we'll see this one. Fine. So we'll see today what are the predefined functions. Let me function of list, or we can say list method. List methods or predefined function for list. Okay, got it. We have below predefined function or methods that we can use for list object. What are they? The first one is, let's say, append. The second one is insert. The third one is let's say extend. Okay. Try to memorize all this functionality. It is very, very important because whenever we are discussing about the list or tuples or set, these are very, very important. Okay. Extend, remove. Okay. Then we should pop methods, clear, reverse, sort. Then we should go for the index. Index is method is there. And copy. Once again, don't. Okay. Sorry. Copy and one more count methods. So how many methods are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Almost 11 methods. Fine. We'll go one by one. Okay. Let's say append method. What is the use of append method? Append method. Append method. This method is used to add a new element into a element at the end of a list object. Okay. What is the syntax? List object dot append element. Okay. Got it? This method is used to add a new element at the end of a list object. Let's say example. Okay. Create a list. Okay. Something like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. Then print L, type of L, then length of L. Okay. What will be the length of L? This is the list element. It is class list 5. Total 5 element. Length of L 5. Okay. Then L append. Let's say I am appending 60. Okay. Now print once again. Now becomes 6, right? 60 has been added. Okay. Again I am going to add. Let's say 70. Then this 70 also going to add in the last of the list. Now become length is 7, right? Now, okay, append 80, 90. I am trying to add two elements. Then what happened? Let's see. What happened? We are getting list.append takes exactly one argument. We are getting a type error. Okay. So what is the learning point here? Let me write that one. Add a, we can write here, add exactly one element at a time in the end of a list object. If we try to add more than one element to a list object by using append method, then we will get the which error? Type error, right? That's all. It is very, very important. Okay. Try to memorize these things. Okay. The whole definition. Okay. The append method in list is used to add exactly one element at a time in the end of a list object. If we try to add more than one element, we will get the type error. Okay. More than one element to a list object by using the append method. Okay. Next, go to insert. Let me okay. Then insert. Insert function. This method is used to add one element at a time. Okay. Exactly at the specified index position of the list object. Okay. This method is used to add one element at a time exactly at the specified index position of the list object. Okay. If we supply invalid positive index value then the element will be added to the first to the added before the zeroth index position. Sorry, will be added at the last of the list, and if we supply invalid negative index value, then the element will be added to the last of the sorry to the first of the list, from starting of the list, added to the start of the list. Okay, what is the syntax? List object, okay, insert index position element. Okay, this is the syntax. Got it? Let's have an example. Okay, L is equal to 10, 20, 30, Python, scalar 40, 50. What is the type of L? Length of L. Take it. Fine. Now I am going to insert. In which index position I am going to insert? Okay. Before that, take one more ID of L also. ID means address. We can display address as well. Length of L dot insert. L dot insert will take one index position, index value. Another one is element. Index position, which implies that in which particular index position we are going to add this particular element. Okay, that's what the meaning is. Got it? In which particular index position we are going to add this particular element. That's what the meaning is. Okay. If the index value is positive, invalid means the index value is not false within this list, whatever the list has been specified, then what happen? It will add the element in the last of the list. If the index position is negative and that particular negative value is not false in between this list defined, then what happen? It will be added in the first of the list object. That's what the meaning is. Okay, got it? Okay. Let's see. I'm going to, in the fifth position, I'm going to add Hadoop. Okay. Now see what happened. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth position, right? Means in between Scala and 40, we have the fifth position. I have added the Hadoop, right? Now I'm going to add in the another position. Let's say in the third position, minus 3. Let's say Java. -3 position, which one? We'll tell. -1. Now current list, take the current list, -1, -2, -3, right? Then what happened? In place of this position, we will get the Java. Okay, see, -3 position, -1, -2, okay, -1, -2, -3 position. So here it will be added. Okay, it will take the original list. Okay, on that basis it is adding. Okay, fine. Then L dot insert L, sorry, -15. Let's say 25. I'm trying to add. Then what happened? -15 position will be not available in this list, right? So what happened? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. What happened? It will add it to the first of the list. See here. It is added, right? Now I am taking +1 plus 15. Let's say let me take +100. I'm going to add 125. Then what happened? It will be added in the last of the list, right? Got it? Okay. Suppose I'm going to add 2 items. Does it possible? Let's say I'm trying to add okay, -20, 20, let's say 45, and also I'm taking one more element. How can I take? First, we cannot able to take, right? Even though I'm taking in this way, let's say minus, so let's say it is 20 position, let's say 50, or let's say 75. Then what happened? This is one element I'm taking. This is one element I'm taking. Okay, I'm trying to add. Then what happened? Let's see. Type error. It will become a tuple and type error. What is tuple will come to know. So what in this case also, note point is if we try to add more element or insert more than one element to a list object by using insert method, then we will get the type. Got it? Next is extend. Okay, this extend method. What is the functionality of extend method? Extend method. What is the use of extend method? This extend method is used to merge two list object. Object. That is we can it allows us to combine two list object. Okay, what is the syntax? Okay, I have a list called one. List one object, list one. Okay, dot extend list two. Okay, got it. We can able to combine. We can merge list one with list two, or list two with, or we can like list two extend list one. Okay, got it. Let's say, see the example. List one, or simply A, 5, 10, 50. B, A, B, C. Now print of A, type of A. Print of B, type of B. Now I'm going to extend A dot extend B. Then B dot, simply you will do the A dot extend. Then which one will extend it? A or B?
Yeah. It will merge
Correct.
A, B.
A. Correct. We are extending the A with the elements of B. But now B dot extend A. Here print B. Type B. We are extending B with the help of A element. Got it? Makes sense, right? Yes or no? So why we are getting duplicate elements in case of B? Because A elements, it will consider this one. Now with this element, I am extending this one. So what happened? All the duplicate element, this one element again, it will combine with this one. That's the reason what happened. ABC will come twice. Got it? So
But I can
extend means,
even I can write
yeah,
A plus B, right? It is going to give me the same result, A plus B or B plus A, instead of
that's what
extending.
yeah,
Okay,
correct.
great.
Yeah, that is the alternate one. Just wait, I'm going to also tell that.
Okay,
Don't
good.
worry. Let me write here also. That point also. Note fine. Also, we can achieve the same result by using plus operator. Okay. Operators we have not yet started, but for the time being, I am telling you. Okay. See here. Combining list object by using extend method. Okay. Now combining objects by using plus operator. Okay. Same thing I'm going to take. Okay. Let's x equal to A plus B. Print x and x. Here. Got it? Not only two list object, we can combine so many list object. Okay. We can combine so many. Got it? This is by using the extend method. This is by using the plus up. Okay. What is the next one? Remove method. Okay. Remove password. This method is used to remove element from a list object. Remove an element or remove the occurrence it will remove the first occurrence, remove the first occurrence of specified element from a list object. If the given element is not found in the or within the list object, then we'll get an error. Which error we'll see? Syntax. Okay. List object dot remove element. Whatever the element we are going to pass in the as argument, that element must be present in this list object. If it is not present, what happen? It will throw an error. Got it? Which error we'll see, we'll write that one. Okay. Okay. This is my list. Type is list. Now I'm going to remove. Okay. Which element I'm going to remove? Let's say 30. Let me take multiple times 50, 70, 50. Print up L. Okay. Then what happen? Okay. Let me remove 50, not 30, 50. Then what happen? It will remove the first 50, even though we have other 50 as well. Okay. It will remove the first 50. This is the given list. But when we use the remove command, we will get only first 50 it has removed, but remaining 50 is still there, right? Let's see another one. Another case. 10, 20, 10, 30, 10. Okay. Print L, type L dot remove 10. Print L. Remove. Remove, right? Okay. Next I'm going to remove 30. Now 20, 10, 10. Now I am going to remove again 10. Twenty, 10. Now I am going to remove 20. Now I am going to remove 10. Now I am going to use the remove, simple remove keyword. What happened? We are getting the type error, right? We are getting the type error. Got it? So what happened?
Element is not found.
Yeah. Okay. Got it. So now here I am trying to remove, let's say 75 and 20, two elements at a time. What happened? Type error. Because remove also allow us to only one argument. It expecting only one argument, not more than one. Okay. So whatever we can able to remove only one element at it, not more than one. That's the reason whatever this method is used to remove the first occurrence of specified element. Okay. Remove exactly one element. Uh, okay. One more point we can write. By remove method, by using remove method we can remove actually one element at a time, and that is again the first occurrence in the list. If we try to remove more than one, then we'll get a which error? Type error. Once, if we try to use remove method on a empty list, then get which error? Get type error. Error. Because I have written, because sometimes what happen, interviewer will ask this much things. Okay. So from your side, you can give more information, that will be better. Okay. If you are not able to give this much information or not, you are meanwhile whenever there will ask, right, you will forget, then what happened? You need to provide this much information at least better. Okay. Fine. What is the next?
So is there any way to
Yeah.
remove the duplicates?
Yeah, we
Not
still.
okay.
Yeah. Duplicate is we can remove. But we need to write a program for one. Okay. We have not yet started the program. I will show you. Got it. But make a note of this one, whatever the question you have for the timing. In the upcoming session, it will be a coverage in that particular area. Don't worry. Okay. We have not started the for loop and all these things. Got it? Remove, then pop. What is the pop method? These are all able to, you are all able to understand, right? Pop method.
Question here.
Yeah.
So the array and the list both are same in the Python. There is no concept of array.
No, array is different. Okay.
Okay,
Array is totally
okay.
different from this. But
Okay.
array, we are not giving much importance. But anyway, we are going to learn later. Okay.
Okay. So array
I will take space for
representation and the list representation is the same way, right?
almost same, but there are differences are there. So I will let you know.
Okay. Okay. Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect.
Let's
Yeah, sure. Sure.
yeah.
Yeah. We are concentrating now on the list side. Okay.
So today we'll
Yeah,
cover.
sure. Thank you.
We'll try to cover the list. Then tomorrow we'll start the tuple. Okay. So next weekend we'll
Okay,
start the
perfect.
set and present set and dict. So we'll try to complete the data type, enter data type.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
So what is pop methods? This method is used to. This is also remove. Okay. This will remove the last element in the list. Last element. Okay. Last element in the list. This method is used to remove the last element from a list object. Okay. Got it? If use pop methods on a empty list object, then we'll get error. Which error will see? I will see and I will write here. Okay. Sometimes when I could not able to memorize which error, so that's the reason. But interview point of view, you need to memorize the error as well. Okay. Got it? List object pop methods. Okay. 20, 30, 40, 50. You can take mixed kind of list type. I have taken only integer for the simplicity purpose. Okay. You can take anything else for your practice. But my notes will contain everything in the whatever I am showing, right? This note will contain everything. Everything it will contain. Okay. From basic to advanced, everything it will contain. No need to worry. Fine. L. Okay. I am trying to remove, let's say, index 3 position. What will happen? Let's see. The index 3 position value 0, 1, 2, 3, 40. Let's see. 40 is removed. So remove the last element from the list. It is not last element. Remove the specified index position element. Okay. Let's say L dot pop. Let's say -2. -2 means -1, -2, 30 will be removed. 30 is gone. Now L dot pop. Let's say 1. Then print. Then next one we are going to remove. I am not using anything else, any index position. And what happened? It will remove automatically last element. Okay. or simply L is equal to, let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. Let's say L dot pop. Which one it will be removed? Print L, type L. Print L, type L. If you don't specify any index value, so what happens? It will remove the last one. Okay. That is the point. It should come in our notes. Let's see. Correct. Exactly. But whenever we specify the index position, that what happens? It will going to remove the specified index position. That's the point it should come. Again, L dot pop. I'm going to use print L, type L. Got it? Now we'll get the error. Oh, not getting error. Okay, fine. Index error. Actually, we'll get this error. We'll get. So here the point is from. This method is used to remove the specified index position element if the remove a element. Remove one element at a time from a list object based on the given index position. If we don't specify the index position in pop method, then it will remove the last element from the list object. If we use pop method on an empty element list, if you use pop method on an empty list object, then we'll get the error like we'll get error, which error? Index error. Okay, this is a complete definition I can say. So pop method is basically used to remove an element, one element at a time. Let me try more than one element. What will happen? We'll see. L dot pop. Let's say 20, 30. Okay. What happened? I'm getting type error. Type error. Got it? So by using the pop method also we cannot able to note. We cannot remove more than one element by using pop method. So if we try to remove multiple elements by using single pop method, then we'll get type error, right? Type error. Got it? This is pop method. Then one more is okay. We can take invalid index value also, right? Using the pop methods, we can take the invalid index, right? Let's see in that case what happened. 2, 5, 7. I'm taking a simple data set. Let's say L dot pop print L. We got it. L dot pop minus 10. Then what happened? Then let's see. Index error. Index out of range. So what happened? This is the point also. You should note it. Again, further, if we supply an invalid index value to pop method, then we'll get index error. Got it? Got it? Yes. So it is quite easy, right? All this method, but very, very important. Append, insert, extend, remove, pop method. Okay, this one. Okay. What is next? Clear method. Okay. What is clear method? Clear methods. This method is basically is used to remove all the elements from a list object. Okay. Syntax list object dot clear methods. Okay. Let's say L is equal to 5 and minus 15. Print of L type of L. Now I'm going to use this L dot clear methods. I'm going to print once again. Then let me see. Nothing. Again, I'm going to use the once again on top of this clear one. On this empty one, then what happened? Let's see. No output. Sorry, this one is no. Let me. I'm creating a empty list. Print L type of L. Now I'm going to use the clear method here. Let's see. Empty only. It doesn't show any output. Okay. So whenever you are using the clear method is a non-empty list object, it will remove all the elements from the list object. Keep the list structure as it is, right? By keeping the list structure as it is. Got it? What is the next method? Reverse. Okay. Reverse. What is the use of reverse functionality? Reverse method. This method is used to arrange the element of a list object in the reverse direction of the list. Syntax list object reverse. Okay. That means let's say L is equal to 10 HR 20 IT sales operation. Okay. Now how it will be displayed? The way we mentioned, in the same way it will display, right? I just wanted to put reverse way. Print L. It will display in the reverse way. That's all. This is the use of reverse functionality. Got it? What is the next one? Next one is sort index. Okay, sort index. Sort index copy count. Okay, sort index copy count. Sort. Okay.
May I ask a question?
Yeah, sure.
So like the sort or like append, these are like functions or methods?
Teachers, some people are saying that it is a method. Some people are saying that it is function. So better to say that it is a predefined method, we can say. Okay.
Okay.
Because we are using the, we can say function, both are synonymous in this case actually. Because you will follow few of the books, right? They are saying that method. Okay. You will go
Okay.
through for other books, they are saying that function.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Thank you.
But there is not so much exact clarity. For me, I will say that if take it as a method, because people will ask you what are the different methods we can use in the list.
Right.
Okay, that's the reason I have
Okay.
written predefined function or methods. That's the
Okay.
reason I have. Sorry. List methods or predefined function of the list.
Right. Right.
Okay.
Sure.
This method is used to sort the element of a list object. Now we can use three different ways. one is syntax. The first syntax we can use this one. Uh, list object dot sort. No argument. What happened? It will display in which way? It will display in the default sorting order. Okay. But when you will use the list obj, okay, then use one keyword reverse, okay, true. Then what happened? It will display in descending order. Let's say reverse. Okay. Display in descending order. Another one is list object dot sort reverse false. Display in ascending order. Okay. But it will default means display in ascending order. Okay. There are three ways you can use this syntax. Got it? First of all, okay, 50, 20, 20, then 25, 37, this one. Print of L, type of L. It will display as it is. Now L dot sort. Print of L. How it will display in ascending order? Ascending means first of all it will the lowest one. 20, 25, 37, 50. It will display like that. Got it? Now L dot sort reverse is equal to true. It will display in descending order. Descending order means first of all it will come the 50, then 37, then 25, then 20. Right? Correct? L dot sort reverse false. Reverse is equal to false. Print of L. It will display in the ascending order. Got it? Okay. One second. So this is the sort functionality. The one is index. Okay. Index copy count. What is index? What is index? Filter.
Arranging the value.
Sorry.
Arranging the value.
No position
No,
of any
it-
element in list, right?
Correct. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. This method is used to display the position of a specific element within a list object. Okay. List object index. Okay. We need to provide the element here. We need to supply the element. It will find that particular element. This is the position of the specific element for the first occurrence. Okay. suppose we have, because a list may contain more than one, sorry, duplicate element, right? So it will check in which place it will come for the first time. That particular position it will show us. Okay. Let's say L is equal to 10, 20, 40, 50, 80, 10, then 70, let's say 60, 10, print L. Sorry, L dot index. Let's say I am giving 2, 3 position, print of L. What happen? It will 3 is not available, right? We'll get the value error. Okay. We'll get the value error. But L index of, let's say, 50, print of L. 50 is, exist in which position? 0, 1, 2, 3, third position. Then it will display the third. Sorry. Right, okay. Let me comment this one. Okay. See here, index 50. Why it is not taking?
Maybe you need to give L dot index of 50 in print.
L dot index of 50. Okay, print L we have taken. Correct. We have to take the print. Right. Excellent. Now it will show third position. Okay. Got it. Print of L dot index of 10. Which index it will provide us? The first occurrence. First occurrence means 10. Which position? 0. It will display 0. Got it? That's all. This is all about the index. Okay. Anything else for the index one? No. After index, which one? Copy count something is there. Copy. Okay. Copy is very, very important. Okay. Please concentrate on this one. Copy is very, very important. There are two types of copy there. Okay. One is shallow copy, one is deep copy. What is a shallow copy? Let's see which one is shallow copy and which one is deep copy. Okay. Let's say, or simply first of all, let me write this point. Copy. Okay. This method is used to copy all the elements from one list object to another list object. Okay. What is serial copy? Whenever we are using the copy command, okay, to copy one list object to another list object, then we can say it is a shallow copy. Okay. And in shallow copy, what happen, and deep copy, what happen? Because it is a most frequently asked question. Okay, we'll see practically, and based on our observation, we will add the point. Okay, it is very important. Let's say I am taking L1 is equal to, let's say, or simply X is equal to Y dot copy. Okay, that means I am copying from Y list. I am copying the better taking L2, L1. From L1, I am copying all the elements of L1 and placed in this L2. Okay, this is called shallow copy. This is called shallow copy. So what is the expectation in this copy? We'll see later. Just concentrate this one, L1. L1 content is 1, 2, 3. Simple. Print L1, type of L1, ID of L1. Okay. Now better I'm taking A. Okay. I'm taking A. A and len of A. Got it? One is B. A, B, C. Here B, 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 B. Now A is equal to B dot copy. Now print of A, ID of A. This is important. Okay. We need to check whether the ID means whether it is written in a different object or in same address space. Okay, let's see. See here. Here address is why it is important, because whenever you are going to copy the elements from one list to another list, we make sure that it must not create a different in the different address place with the same name, same list object. Okay, got it? Because here you see the list object 1, that means A. This is the address. Okay, but when this is the B1, this is the this one, ABC, last one. Okay, so what happened? In this case, in shallow copy, what happened? Whenever you are going to copy the content of or the elements of one list to another list, it will, instead of copying the exact element in that particular this one, right? What happened? Let's see. Let's try to understand this point. Very, very important. Those who knows the understand the variable nature, they can understand now. Let's say for the first time, I have assigned 10. Again, I have assigned 15. Then in memory, how it will be looks like. Now, one address has been created. Let's say this address is 8380. In this place, 10 has been stored. Now, again, I have assigned a value called A is equal to 15. another one more address space has been created where I have created one store 15. Let's say this address space is 8496. Then what happen? This reference will be cut off and establish the relationship with this one. Means the reference will be moved to this point A to 15. Got it? Likewise here what happen? Whenever this A, the address will be this one. Which one? This one. Next, when you copy, right? When you copy the content of B, means A, B, C, whenever you are going to copy this content, what happened? It will be stored to a different places. See the address of this one. Another address place. Then from A, the pointer will be, instead of pointing out to this one, 1, 2, 3, that is exist in this one, it is pointing out to this one. Got it? Any doubt in this? Hello? Any doubt in this? Please let me know. Please open up your mouth. You are getting my point or not getting my point?
Yeah, I'm not
Devnath,
get.
yeah, I have a question here.
Yeah.
See, whenever you are putting A, right? So the address space what is taken for the A, suppose say you are saying 8380. Next time change the value A to 15. That means 10 will be replaced with 15, right? That same address space or it will be in the different address space?
It will be, this is a different address space, this is a different address space.
Okay,
So
but
what
when I'm
happened?
assigning 10 A 15, right? Now the A value has been replaced with 15, no? That means 10 has been replaced with 15, right? Then address space should be same.
No.
No?
No, it doesn't get replaced. Yeah, that's what he's saying.
Oh, okay.
10
Okay,
10
fine.
will be there.
Okay.
Yeah. 10 is there. It is stored in the 8380 position. So at this point of time, A is reference to 10 stored in this particular position. When we
Okay.
assign 15, when I assign 15 to A object, Python will, or PVM, basically PVM will look after, is there any existing 15 is available in the memory? If it is not available, let's create a memory position or memory location for the 15 and store over there. So it has created 8496 position and stored this 15. Okay. This also we can
Fine.
say it is also treated as an object within the Python. Okay.
Okay.
So
Now
what
if I
happened?
want to get the
Now
10 value
it
now.
will disconnect the connection from A to 10 and establish the connection to this one. So if when you use the print function, earlier it will slow 10, but now it will show you 15. Got it? Let's say for
Okay.
your simplicity of understanding, let me,
Okay. Now suppose if I want to call that address space 8380, can I get
let's
the
say,
value of 10?
idea of it. Okay. Now equal to 15 I am taking. Now, okay. Now I am going to write once again. It will display.
Okay. Yeah.
This is the basic behavior of the variable actually. So what happened? It is not going to remove immediately, but it will be there in the memory. Okay. Somewhere in the memory.
Okay. Okay. You mean to say that even if you want to call again that address
But
space,
we
I may
can
get that value, right?
let me try with this one. B equal to 10. Now it won't be fetched, but this is the first one, right? This is the second. Got it. Initially,
Both as
let me show you here. The prompt is better for this. Okay. See here, A is equal to 10. Okay. A equal to, sorry, print of A, ID of A. Then A equal to, I have print A, ID of A. What happened? Now memory has been different, right? Okay.
Correct.
Now go to B. I am establishing B equal to 10. Print of B, ID of B. Now what happened? Again, it will be going to 10 is there in this memory, So what happened? Same memory address it is going to store in the P. Okay. See here. Now let me copy this content. See here, the memory space. Correct? So what happened? 10 is there in the memory. Just what happened? It will detaching the, sorry, it will just A. First of all, it is 10. Next time, it is 15. But 10 is still there. It is just dislink. Okay. It will disconnect the link. When we assign the B equal to 10, what happened? From B, it is going to establish the connection to 10. But the memory is remains same. See here. Right?
Okay.
Got
Okay.
it.
Got it.
Got it.
Mm.
Got it. So what happened? So both value and variable are independent of each other. But in other language, what happened? When you assign a particular value to a variable, both will be stored in the same place, almost in the same place. But in Python, both are will be different. But what happened? It will
Yes,
run
yeah.
time. It will maintain this one. But whenever you um, call the ID of A, then what happened? It will display the address of this value. Whenever I am calling the ID of B, it will display the value 10. It is also value 10. Means, but later point what happened? A is stored in the 15. So what happened? 15 is stored in this location. It will display this one. Okay.
Okay.
So this is
So
the
then
basically. Yeah.
copy and the extend both are same, seems to be same, right? Because you are extending one list to other one, right? Same also here also in the copy you are doing same thing, right? Or how it is different?
Copy will be different. Let's see. Copy and extend will be different. Let me show you practically. It is a good question, by the way. And let's see. Okay. A equal to 1, 2, 3. I am taking this one. Print of A, ID of A. B equal to 5, 10. Let's say 5 and 10. Print of B, ID of B. A is equal to A dot extend B. Let's say A dot extend B. It is done. Now print of ID of A. What happened? The address is remains same in case of extend.
Correct.
ID is same. Address is same. Got it? But in case of copy, what happened? And in case of copy, it maintain different address space for the newly copied item. So this is called shallow copy. So what is shallow copy? This is called, let me write this point. Let me write this point. When we copy elements from one list to another list object, then the newly copied elements will be stored in a different address, memory location or address. This is called shallow copy. Okay, Mitra. Got it? Right. Sorry. Yeah. Any doubt with this copy and extend? You got it right? What is the next?
So I have a question here.
Yeah, sure.
As a programmer, how
Yeah.
does it matter to me, like, the data is storing in the different address space, or it is storing in the same data space, because I am getting the output what I'm looking for, right? So
Yeah.
does it really to be concern for me?
Basically, it is important whenever you are going for the optimization of the program. Okay.
Okay.
So
Mhm.
that point of time, we must think about this one, memory area, because Python is literally Python is very slow, but
Mhm.
that's the reason what happened. We must keep a eye always on the performance point of view.
Okay. So memory allocation perspective, or memory, like, optimization perspective, you have to be very much concerned on that. That is what you are saying,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Okay.
But so far we are mostly used in the PySpark environment, right? So it does not. There won't be any kind of issue with the performance. That is one. That is the advantage. And that's the reason
Okay.
what often Python is more preferable in case of PySpark as compared to Scala. But Scala is a legacy kind of technology that is already
Mhm.
uh, that is basically run for the most of the banking environment. They are using the Scala, but most of the rich department people are using for the Python for the PySpark Spark technology.
Okay.
Count. What is count? It will give us the number of elements, right? This method is used to get the number of occurrence of a element. List object dot count. Let's say equal to 5, 10, 10, 20, 10, 10, 30, 40, 20. Int L L dot count of 10. That means print int L dot count of 40. print L dot count of 20. 10 exists 3 times, 40 exactly 1 time, 20 exactly 2 times, right? 2 times. That's what the methods. So we cover almost how many methods? Append, insert, extend, remove, pop, clear, reverse, sort, index, copy, count. Okay. Try to memorize all this method so that it is very easy to use. Okay. Whenever you are practically do, right? At least 3-4 times we are going to go through this one. You can easily memorize many things. Okay. Got it? And mostly what when people will ask you extend methods, insert method, and append methods, one is copy method. And what is copy method? One more, sorry, I forgot to tell you about the copy method. This is called copy method. Okay. One more way to copy. Let me, okay. This is one shallow copy. Shallow copy. Okay. I'm going for the deep copy. What is deep copy? What is deep copy? Who will tell? No need to without using the copy method. Okay. Let's say I'm taking A is equal to 5, 10, 12. I'm taking this one, print of A, type of A, then ID of A. I'm taking another one, B is equal to, let's say 10, 20, 30. Print of B, ID of B, type of B. Let's say ID of B. I'm taking this one. Now, first of all, let's see. Both are maintaining different addresses, right? Okay. Now, A equal to B. Okay, I'm just using assignment. I'm not using anything else. Print of A, type of A, ID of A. Now see the 10, 20, 30. What happened? What you are able to, what is your observation here? When you copy, I'm copying the B content to A. Okay, right? So what happened? It will disconnect from this position and establish this one to internally, but it will internally represent to this this particular element, okay, which is stored in this location. Got it? But later point of time when B is assigned to A, B is pointing to which location? This location. This location. Now A also what happened? Pointing to the same location. Got it? Because this data is not moved to a different location. This data is as it is there in the this location. You got my point? Data is not moved to anywhere else. It is remain in the same location. Means both A and B are representing to the same data set 10, 20, 30 stored in this memory location. Which one? Let's say 8240. Got it? Just it remove the connection or remove the reference link or this link from this memory area. Just reference to the same memory location where B is pointing, right? That's all. This is called deep copy. This is the basic difference they will ask you. Okay. What is deep copy and what is shallow copy? In shallow copy, it will totally you totally maintain a different memory location to copy the data. Whereas in deep copy, the data won't move anywhere else. It will remain in the same memory location. Just from where we are going to copy, that particular object will be establish a link to the data set where exactly it is there. That's all. This is the difference, basic difference. So it is a must question in the real time. Okay, in interview. Mostly people will ask you what is shallow copy and deep copy. Okay. So we have done with all the functionality with respect to list. Any doubts so far? Anything else?
Yes, I have a doubt in insert method.
Which method?
Insert method.
Okay.
So when we are giving positive index, like if you
Okay.
are giving 0, it is inserting in 0. But when we are giving -3 in your example,
Hmm.
it is inserting at -4th position, right?
Okay. Okay. Now, okay, good. First of all, when he given the insert of 5 position, what is the expectation in this list, right? Okay. This is my
Yes.
first list. When I have inserted my value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in this position, correct? Fifth
Yeah.
position means, so what happened? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth position. Sorry, this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. Okay. After fifth, that means after fifth.
Yes.
Okay. Whenever -3 will provide, after -3 it will be like that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So in that position, what happened? Now it will maintain this one. In this, go to the -3 point, -1, -2, -3. Then this in between this one, it will go. Hadoop and scalar.
Okay.
So here there is a better good observation. Let me write one point also. This method is used to add one element at a time actually immediate after the given index position. Okay. It is meaningful, right? Immediate after the given index position. Got it? So what happened? If we provide sixth, right? Actually, it will count the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Element wise, it will take the sixth position. But index wise, it takes the which position? Your doubt is clear, right?
Yes.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4. Fifth I have given, this is fifth. But whenever
It is clear.
-3, okay. That's all. Anyone has any doubt?
One more question. We are able to convert the string and the range functions, but is there any way to convert integer to these things like list?
Sorry?
We were able to convert string to list, right? Normal
Yeah.
string.
Yeah.
Is there a way to convert integers, other type of data into the list?
We'll see. Typecasting is there. I have not yet covered it. Typecasting.
Okay.
So typecasting is upcoming session. We'll see at the last of the all the data type. We'll see. We'll should go for the typecasting.
Yes.
Okay. Typecasting after tuple. I will cover the typecasting. We'll see. Okay.
Devnath, where I'll get
Yeah.
these data types? I have logged into the Databricks.
Mhm.
So if you want to see the the data types which you are showing here, can I see same thing in my screen also?
Data types means
Like you are
yeah.
showing this
Yeah,
pop,
yeah.
insert.
Yeah.
Yes.
No,
Le-
here it won't.
yeah.
You won't able to see. This is the methods I am covering. These are the
Okay.
almost I believe 11 methods. I will share this notebook. Okay, so that
Oh,
you
this is
can
the notebook. Okay, this is the
yeah,
notebook. Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
notebook.
Okay.
I'm directly preparing the note and giving the exam in the data.
Oh, okay. Okay. Perfect. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
so far, because when in the earlier session I am covering in this one, but
Hmm.
now I am covering in this one. So now what happened after completion of the data type, we should also use the ID as well, Python ID
Hmm.
in the both the environment we
The-
should learn.
Yeah, you open the notebook, but it is just not showing that one. That's why I got like.
You can practice everything. I will share this notebook. You can just
Hmm.
import in your environment and you can use this.
Okay. 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 Fine. So importing through the file that one. Okay.
Yeah,
Import
yeah,
the notebook. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Okay.
So inner list is pretty simple. It is not okay. What is the inner list? Who will tell any idea, any guess?
Is a kind of a nested one, right?
Yeah, list within a
List within a list.
is called as inner list or nested. Not only list, we can say, yeah, that is for the timing, memorize this one. A list within a list is known as the inner list or nested list. What is the syntax? Syntax will be okay. Let's say list object this one. Okay, or let me write the list object. And then I'm taking element 1, A2, E3. Then I'm taking one more list within this one, V1, V2, dot, Vn. This is one list, E. List within a list. This is called inner list. So V1, V2, Vn, it is known as the inner list. E1, A2, E3 up to En, it is known as the outer list. Let me write this point also. E1, E2, En, E3, known as outer list. V1, V2, V1 is known as inner list or nested list. That's all. Example, L is equal to, let me take 10, 20, 30. Then I'm taking HR, IT, operations, 40. Print of L, type of L. Fine. Now I can access the elements of this whole list. Let's say L of 2. Use the print function here better. L of 2 means which position? 30 it will retrieve. Now print L of 3. Which one it will retrieve? Filter entire list. This one. This HRIT operation it will retrieve. See here. Okay. Got it. Now What is this indexing? We can use the indexing node. Use indexing slashing on both outer list as well as inner list. Okay. Yeah, these things everyone should vote. Okay. Otherwise, will in the evening. Okay, people are not able to join in the morning. So yeah. So we can use indexing and slicing on both outer list as well as the inner list. Fine. Okay. First of all, in outer list, seen on outer list. Outer list. L of 2 to 5. Use the print function. 2 to 5 means this one 32, 2 to 5, 2, 3, 4, 5 is one not there means 30, 30, this one 40. This 3 it will display, right? See here 30 HRIT operation because in inner list it will take a single object, okay, or single element it will take like that. Now, then how can I here it is indexing on outer list. Okay. Then indexing on inner list. How can I define the inner list? How can I define? First of all, I need to fetch this one. Okay, how can I fetch this one? Print of L3. Got it? Print of L3. Now, I need to print of L3 will give me HRIT operation, right? I got it. Now, I wanted which position data out of this one?
So
This
0.
is 0, 1, 2. Let's say I'm trying to fetch the 1, means IT. Let's say 1. Got it? IT I can got it, right? Now use the slicing inner list. Print of L of 3. L of 3 will provide me HRIT operation. Now do the slicing. Which one? Slicing, let's say -1. -1 means it will -1, -2, -3 in the list, right? L of 3 provide me complete list, third position. Then -1 means this one, operation it will display, right? See here. Okay, starting to -1. 0 to -1 means that's why it's showing me this one. Okay, got it. Suppose I wanted to another one, print of L of 3. L of 3 will display HRIT operation, out of which 1 dot 1 colon. 1 colon means it will display from this one.
Everything.
No, this 0th position, this is 1 IT and operation it will display. Got it. This is how we can implement. We can use indexing. We can use indexing and slicing on both outer list as well as in inner list. So this is the different example, different scenario. Okay.
So no need to give the dot, right? It will automatically take the print L of 3, then 1 means automatically it is taking inside the position 3, what is the one number item, right?
No, we need to give it because I'm going to define the PFM that you need to start from 1, not the 0. If you don't provide what happened, it will start from the 0th position. 0th position means it will start from the HR.
No,
But I
that is
don't
fine.
want. I'm starting from this position. So that's the
That is
reason I'm
fine,
giving.
but yeah, that is fine. But my question is, when you do print L of 3, do we need to press a dot? Dot not required, no? Dot not required,
But
right?
dot not
We are
required. It
doing
is a space in between this one. L of 3,
space. Okay.
just L of 3, it will display like this. Let me,
This
yeah,
is
like
after
this.
the first item, like a second
Correct.
item. 0 and 1.
Yeah,
Okay. A second
yeah.
index. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay.
Okay. So these are all about this one. Just I wanted to delete the list. Then what happen? What can I delete? Del function is there. Del L. Okay. That's the print of L. This del operator, it is operator. Okay. It will name error. Del L means it will this operator is used to delete the complete list. In one go. That's all.
That means you are saying the list has been deleted, that's why throwing this error.
Correct. Yeah, correct. Yeah. So del is a del, but don't use this del. In development environment, you can use for your testing, but in the real time, unless it is instructed, never use this one del function. Okay. So hope all of you understand this one, right? These are all about your list object, but still it is there. So many program we'll see in the upcoming days whenever you are starting with the control structure. We'll start writing programs. Okay. But data type point of view, we are good with the list. Okay. Try to memorize all these methods. It is very, very important. Append, insert, extend, remove. Okay. People will makes you confused and interview. Even it's very difficult to sometimes memorize. Okay. So just practice. You can able to memorize. Okay. Sort function we can use in this list, but sort function is not available in the tuple. So such kind of difference they will ask you. Okay. So any doubt, anyone has any concern? If all are good, then I will wind up the session, and tomorrow we'll see again at the same time. Tomorrow we'll complete the tuple part.
So Devnath, actually, I pinged in the chat. Can we make it in the morning tomorrow?
Morning is not in my hand, but if everyone is able to join, then it will be good actually, because one is probably Tapas joining from the Dubai, I believe, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you can join,
So,
no problem. In morning 8 o'clock, I will be fine. I'll get out, not a problem.
okay.
If everybody agree, for me, that's fine.
Because mostly weekend, that evening, some work is there. So,
Sunday you were saying that's why evening, no problem.
yes,
You
and
can
no,
join
no.
6th.
I'm telling
That's
like
perfect.
evening actually most of the work will be there, so that's why I'm requesting